This footage is gonna be so priceless we don't even realize it.
Oh, dude, I know.
Like, I mean, not even the video, I mean like 10, 20 years down the road, just having footage like this?
Yeah.
Wow.
We're fitting you keep right here. Yeah, okay. Yeah? It's a good day, eh? Yeah, you can fit us three in here.
Fucking pack of Swayze, you sexy fuck.
You want a shot up here? I need more space.
Holy fuck.
How far
What are you doing? No, but I want a shot of you up there.
I can't even get everything in.
He jumped up there. One jump.
No, I bet you I climbed up that pole.
You're right.
At the pole, up the pole or up the fence. Yeah.
What a monkey.
This one's all unified?
You should muff it, I think.
But
Yeah, I think so, eh?
But it's a craver.
I just painted it last night for shits and giggles.
Yeah, but don't make it look rough. You can't do like the extra shit to blend it. Just fucking leave it open and I'll fill it. If you know what I mean.
I don't know. What do you think?
This is so dope, man.
I know.
This is what it's all about.
Yeah, we're good. Yeah, it'll be alright. I'll fill whatever you need.
I'm trying to take this real good.
Yo.
That's where I'm
You
painting.
like that paper?
That's what you thought you were.
I'm just gonna paint on your back. Blend you in with the wall. Gonna get hit with that.
Oh yeah, guaranteed. It won't hurt that bad.
Probably kill you instantly.
We'll be here to consolidate.
Frisbee. Instant death by Frisbee.
Serge, for real.
Hey, that was a pretty good paint.
Thanks, Joe.
Really good.
Thanks, buddy. Yeah, hey, it's like
Hey, how do you open the cooler, Dad?
We've only got a picture of that.
Have a drink of rain.
Dude, you never get in the zone and just fucking forget a letter?
It never happens. It never happens to anybody but me.
You didn't do a G.
Did you get that on film?
No.
Oh, fuck.
I never get the best shit on film. The stuff that we couldn't show anyways.
guys want? Pop them up.
So yeah, I got to meet. He's in Japan now. He was supposed to be coming back, but now he's marrying a chick and probably won't come back. Yeah, he's such a chill guy.
Yeah, I met him way back.
Yeah. Oh man,
He's one of
when you could paint our tree.
He's one of my favorite people I've ever painted with, for sure.
Long time ago. Oh yeah, he still does this thing, man. He just hit that sky view by my house.
Oh really?
Right, yeah, just like last couple days.
This vodka will give me the quick energy I need.
Oh, especially when we didn't even know one was sleeping in a van too. You got spares in the car. I got kids everywhere.
I got a lot of fucking kids.
It's good.
Straggler.
Red and blue jacket.
Yeah.
Owen!
It'd be worth it.
Come here!
Sickest swine pig I've ever seen.
He is really sick.
It is. He is really sick. Got swine flu. Yeah, kid eating a banana. Take one. Yeah, it's good footage. Random footage. Kid eating a banana. It's weird having little kids on the wall. That guy's, he's gonna be a tough kid, man.
He's only 2.
What?
Yeah, that's what I did on my birthday a couple years ago. What's the matter? Do you want to go have a seat somewhere? Kaya, can you bring your chair over for Owen?
What?
And then he can sit over here and have his bottle. Can you get your chair and bring it over?
I'll get you Mickey Mouse one.
Stay right here, dude. It's okay. You gotta calm down a bit. Okay, he's gonna bring a chair over and then you can have your bottle. Okay? And then can you go get him a cookie?
Okay. Owen, cookie?
So okay, if I did a C here, can I do a pig in this vomit here with my A?
Absolutely. I'd highly recommend you have a pig.
Hey.
Have it slurming out of the
And
fucking
then,
vomit. Draw like a big, dirty lady slug with a sombrero on. And a fucking...
a lady what?
Crazy, what the...
A lady
Like
what?
a mega, like a giant slug
Oh, okay.
coming out of the vomit.
Well, I gotta do pigs with my letters on them. What? Swine flu. Yeah, just...
Gives me some major peace of mind.
Okay, remember everybody, swine flu. Swine flu.
But it's actually close.
And my C is gonna just be like this.
Of course.
And you're doing an R between me and Serge, right?
Yeah, there's gonna be a little pig and
Perfect.
letters.
Perfect.
Flying pigs with letters?
Yeah, why not?
Fucking A. I mean, A.
A?
Forgot the kid was there. Oh, you got something left on the ball. That's gross.
I don't know what just happened. Fucking right.
You're just like running around like crazy, eh?
No, yeah, I have no choice.
There's no never ending?
If this fence wasn't here, it would be awesome because I get the whole wall.
From way down way back.
Oh, probably just like 3 folds back.
Yeah.
Fuck, yeah, imagine that.
That's why you need to be able to use both cameras, man.
Yeah,
You just have the other one set up on the other side.
fucking right.
Then you don't have to move around as much.
That keeps me busy. Makes me feel like I'm important. Uh-oh, it's grape time. This kid's bringing the goods.
Hi, you like to give her?
Hey, buddy.
Well, you love it to get better.
I know. We're filming.
Munchkin?
Where was he
I don't
for?
know what's going on.
Well,
Yeah. Oh, I don't know if you drink that either, man. I don't know what it is. He has no idea what I'm talking about at all. Talking to him like he's 20. Didn't you?
I did. I thought somebody might have smoked it.
No, I'm pretty sure it's there. Want me to go check for you?
You know, like, make some small and some big. It's gonna be like that. Mine's gonna be...
How did it happen? I don't understand.
Crave showed up.
Boom. That's all that happened.
That's the way it would have fucking went.
Yeah. Good old Stafford Wall.
Yeah.
Kind of glad for the toys some days because imagine like if it had never
never
been
got
toys
toys?
ever, yeah, it would still be like the original painting from day one, probably.
Yeah.
But it's always fucking chilled after we've just gone through hell the last couple of weeks painting too. The rainstorm, the fucking snow and hail and shit. Yeah, that must be some stress, man. I was stressing out because I didn't have a roller. he's got to take his kids to go shit and piss and stuff at a store. Like, holy fuck. Like, I'm just getting the hang of it in the last few years. And I still have had some episodes.
Yo, where you at? Alright, cool. We'll see you in a bit. Yeah, we're all down here. Yeah. Hey, Destro says he's actually on his way down. Give him a call. Maybe give you a ride. Oh, good. Yeah, do it though.
I'm the rubber, you're the glue.
The devil.
Sounded like a total nerd. Then we went and racked the art room for paint and chip glass and tag shit. That was it.
It's all fucking boom boom.
Whoa, this line's busted. No, this is where I'm going. See where he's looking. Because I'm 3D mapping.
Doing right here. This is where the thing's gonna stab into his head.
Yeah, I'll do a little guy there, but I want to do my letter here.
Should I do that frosting on the rest of the ridges going downward? The white frosting?
I don't know.
So you don't think like this same type of shit like right here? Like here?
Little robot.
Little robot. I like your message. I'm a fucking robot. I need a robot.
It's all good though. Good thing I don't have anything else to do in my life.
This one's just going to be spewing germs, and in the middle it's just going to say swine flu.
Fuck yeah.
Really drive the point home.
Yes. Yes. This might be the next video I work on. It's so awesome.
Oh, dude, this one's like a must.
It's got to come out first now. It's priority number one.
Yeah. It's so sick.
What
other ones do you have to work on?
I got a lesson in Max TTXs. They did a whole car. Same colors. Then I got Miles and Surgeon did a whole car at.
Put that one out that I did?
What?
You already put that one out?
No,
the Stompdown face?
no, because I was doing it. I finished it when I came here, so now I just gotta go home and upload it.
Yeah.
And then I got the.
You don't get priority, Chief.
Yeah.
Sorry.
I've also,
Me, buddy.
dude, I've got like fucking 15 hours of tape that I haven't even looked at.
You do what you do, man. I know what you go through.
It's awesome though when it's done. I'm like, yeah. What happened? You had to go to the bathroom?
No, I had to.
Oh, that's good.
That's why I had to.
Well, I'm glad you're back.
Actually, really tight.
You know what's bringing it all together though?
Yeah, come over here where it's safe.
Saxo, when the fuck you finishing that shit at my house?
I just keep this simple.
It's my favorite can of all time,
Dumps it, man.
without a doubt. It's completely useless for most things though, but
It's awesome for giant cans. I'll tell you that right now.
yeah, and coming home like a chrome robot.
Oh, dude, you gotta wear like rags.
I've had a silver dog from that shit before when I brought my dog out train painting. Trained into Robo Dog.
My whole wardrobe was silver after that 2 nights of us doing those big silvers.
Oh yeah.
Fucking silver everything.
Okay, you. I think you got a sweater in the car.
That's the worst.
Here, play with that thing. Play with that. That's pretty cool.
Flying flute, antibody, and you're pretty much a nobody.
No, man.
You're allowed to enter.
You're just a dick if you don't have syphilis.
Are you filming? Yeah.
Did you?
Sent him a text at 9 a.m. Think he was up?
Yeah, close.
Probably up, right?
Probably just going to bed.
We go to the gym in his sleep.
Yeah. Finish it.
Holy shit, my feet doesn't even have a fillet. I thought it was supposed to be black. No, man. Let's fill it in with something. Got it.
Oh, bro. You guys want to do some fucking skip rope?
Oh, but that's what I came for.
That's what I came for, man.
What are you guys coming for?
Skip rope, buddy.
Oh, yeah. Come for skip rope.
That's how real gangsters roll.
That's why I don't know.
I want to jump in the middle while you guys spin it on each end.
I swear to God, I'll do it.
I didn't break it though.
Oh man.
Is that good?
It's gonna be the best fucking thing ever.
I don't know if I want to do amoebas in here or not.
I don't even know what amoeba is.
Almost try now.
I went to school.
Because I never saw you that day.
Man, I did that, right? I was like, wow, I honestly feel weird. What the fuck?
So having a shot, dog?
It's a party, I mean.
You rode your bike out, eh? I like the no handlebars. That's odd.
Yeah. Just a straight
How does
part.
how does that go?
Just a straight part.
Awesome.
Another working camera?
Yeah. Smoke and mirrors. Apparently I'm not even filming. I'm just standing around like you. No, I'm just standing. I thought I was filming you. I look as like, huh, not recording. Oh, the white came through on miles. It's good film there. Okay, right. I missed your lines on the line. I missed it. You did? Nice.
Found the kind of black.
Oh, black's the best color. Black and white. It's all you need.
Could work on one of her pieces and just.
I really like that. Yeah, there's a photo. Let me get a video and a photo.
Happy! Oh, swan flu!
Oh man,
I want to see that flick.
I don't know how to do it, dude.
Oh,
honestly.
no.
It's just some robot.
We gotta bounce and like.
Where the hell? What the?
Yeah, it's gonna be.
That center part is what throws me off.
It's gonna be a little something.
Yeah.
You know why? I realized as. Yeah, dude, stand-up footage, man, for sure.
No.
I don't want
I'm nervous with him standing behind me. He's gonna kick me.
Yeah, he might very well.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Whoa! Thought he was fighting. He's punching me. Ah! No, just
Are
film
you
it.
thinking there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Say hi.
We made the picture.
You want to take a picture?
Okay. I'm going to take a picture.
Uh-oh, you're tripping over the camera. You okay? You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just wanted to get the picture.
I don't know what you're saying.
Well,
At all.
that's bigger. Oh, it is.
Is his name Owen?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought that's what he was telling you. Oh, you want...
A cinnamon.
I'm slowly learning. I bet you...
You better, Dad.
Little bully kid. He's already a bully. He looks scary.
What are you doing?
Filming a movie.
Thanks, guys. I didn't really know right now. I just started doing it.
Dude. I'm biting your heart.
Dude, me?
Look at the got a ShamWow? He gave me a ShamWow last night.
Shit.
Yeah, buddy.
I thought you were fucking joking.
Oh, right. What's going on here? I don't even know.
Damn it, then.
You like that painting?
Yeah.
I've been doing it. I need some orange.
You need some orange.
Yeah, but I need some orange.
Okay. Don't use it all.
Daddy.
Yes, Owen. What do you got?
The creepy sneaker.
This is the rope. Walk your hands. Come on, walk your hands. Get down.
Nobody shows up.
I'm fine to walk my hands down.
Oh,
You gotta go fucking wash his hands off, he said.
where are you gonna do that, bud?
Don't go too far. She did it again. What is it coming out?
This footage is gonna be so priceless, we don't even realize it.
Oh, dude, I know.
Like, I mean, not even the video, I mean, like 10, 20 years down the road, just having footage like this?
Yeah.
Wow.
You'll be filming Miles' kids painting, my
No
kid painting.
shit, like, but to see them, because this will be the second video he's in, like, a year and a half apart.
Yeah.
So they can watch the like, kids grow up, like, on video 20 years later, just on YouTube. It'd be a trip. Or imagine me.
I like how you got to go like It'd be good if I get a black. 5 minutes, okay?
It was priceless. It's the happiest devilish pig I've ever seen in my life.
Trying to go as fast as I can. I still have so much to paint.
I can't believe how much you've done already. You just killed this wall. It's so fucking tiny now. Do you have spots where you could come out and paint in Thailand?
I've got
Like,
a couple spots. I've got one, a skate park that is not the best. It's not, doesn't have really.
Way to go.
He's looking for his bottle. I got my bonus and the new. I found it for him. Now I know the picture of it is. I know it is a cup.
what's up, man?
In hours. How long are you gonna be here?
Could you open this one? I mean, Dad.
Yes, I can open it.
Playing with this kid's well.
What up, Cap?
What's happening?
Breaks out Iron Man. Oh yeah.
the false. You're aliens. I wanted to. That's on a green box.
Hey, right? I'm like, can you drive me to the SkyTrain? She's like, no, I'm not driving nowhere, and then just rolls over.
Sounds like
I'd like to thank all the people that made this possible. I'd like to thank Keep Six for sucking so bad. Make my shit look great.
Fuck you up,
Weird looking pigs, eh?
You're in my house.
making money. Hello.
Yeah. Hi.
Look
How
at
are
you all
you?
dolled up.
Where were you guys?
We were out for lunch.
You get
That's how you dress
for
when you go to lunch?
yeah?
Yeah.
I used to dress like that because you came to see us.
Sweet.
We did the whole wall.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Except for them there, that's cool.
I'm not wasting any time.
Whoa, how do you get beer so quick?
He's like I said, I'm not wasting any.
But you're there a lot at the time.
Oh, you're getting right now?
I'm craving some bacon. Wish we had a barbecue so we cook bacon and film the piggies.
Not even hamburgers, just bacon.
Just bacon, just bacon. That's all me and Mike ever cook, just bacon. I need bacon and vodka. Or bacon and beer. Any kind of booze and bacon.
Booze and bacon.
That's where it's at.
Do that one.
You out of tape?
What are you talking about?
Come on. Like Tyler's,
Orange is the color of the day. Oh yeah, they're PR.
Yeah, pure
Face
coordinator.
yeah.
Yeah, sorry I didn't do that last pig into there. Just, a lot of stuff.